Welcome to this video on how to use the Testimonials block. The Testimonials block is a simple but powerful way to showcase positive feedback from your students or your community. You could showcase student success stories, faculty achievements, or alumni experiences, for example. This block helps to build trust and connection and can also add a personal touch to your website. Let's look at how to add this block. Click on the block inserter and then search for the testimonial block. Once you've added that, you'll see you have some options. First of all, you can add an image. Note that the image needs to be at least 768 pixels wide. So I'll just select something that I've already uploaded to my website. Over here is where you're going to put the content of your testimonial. You'll see that you already have quotation marks, so you don't have to add them in. A few options that you have with this block. If you click on the icon up here, you can add a quote graphic. So you'll see it adds this nice little quote graphic in the background. And you can also add a citation. And one last option is you can link that citation. There you have it. So let's save that and have a look at the finished product.